Before you look at them, check you. Before you call it discernment, check fruit. Before you say I'm in the Ruach, let the book prove it. Yeah. Sit back first, watch what you say. Watch how you move day after day. If you still angry, you can't gain peace. If you still lying, truth won't stick. If you still proud, but say you chosen, that fruit already got your mouth exposed in gossip in private and slander online. Then quote a verse like that spirit divine. Fruit don't lie, that tree gon' tell on itself. What's in the heart gon' come out by itself. You can say Yahuwah all day with your lips, but if pride, slander, and hate lead you, your vessel done slip. Look inward first, that's the first real test. Not the comments first, not the miss. If you can't check you by the book you read, then you just talking while your own roots bled dead.
Matthew chapter 7, verse 16.
Ye shall know them by their fruits. Fruit reveals the Ruach. Every time, no hiding. Fruit reveals the Ruach. Stop the fake disguising. If it's strife that ain't from above, if it's slander that ain't from love, fruit reveals the Ruach. Every time.
Now watch the pattern, it's wide open. Half truth clips hold, crowd frozen. One person mad, now 10 more pile on. Nobody check twice, not allowed for grown. Character killing in the comment section. Pride in the tone, but they call it correction. Using the name while the flesh still steering. That should tell you what spirit you hearing. If they rage first, question the message. If they mock truth, question the leverage. If they love strife and stirring division, that fruit already made the decision. And if you co-sign, echo, 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 repeat it. You didn't just hear it, you help feed it.
Now that same Ruach got room in you. That's how the poison keeps moving through.
Matthew chapter 12, verses 36 through 37.
Every idle word they shall give account in the day of judgment.
By thy words justified,
By thy words condemned.
fruit reveals the Ruach.
Every time, no hiding.
Fruit reveals the Ruach.
Stop the fake disguising. If it's strife that ain't from above, if it's slander that ain't from love,
Fruit reveals the Ruach.
every time.
It's deeper than moves, these spirits link up. Power, deceit, then the whole thing sink up. Envy go blind, ain't gon' make you move. Falsehood talk slick, not a crowd approve. Spirit of fighting, spirit of pride, spirit of lion run side by side. Same old poison, different face. Same old setup, different place. That's why the book keep telling you watch. Don't let that door keep clicking unlock. One wrong agreement, now you in it. One wrong echo, 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 now you spinning. So be still for real, not slogan still. Trust Yahuwah for real, not performative feel. Stop running the flesh for your comfort and proof. The book already told you the end of that fruit.
Testament of Reuben, chapter 1, verses 26 through 30. The spirit of fighting, the spirit of pride, the spirit of lying and jealousy. It practices deceits, spirit of injustice. Anger versus patience, pride versus meekness, lying versus truth, gossip versus guarded tongue, strife versus peace, envy versus contentment. Check what's growing in you, that's your real alignment. If you repeated, you part of it. If you defended, you part of it. If you entertained it, you part of it. Then wonder why your peace got robbed from it. Don't repost it, don't spread it. Don't dress in up and call it lit. Don't use scripture to shield your flesh. The fruit gon' show a spirit led. Fact check me. If this hit truth drop, type that check me. If you really read and drop, boom, I move. The book is heavy. Every time, no hiding.
Fruit reveals the Ruach.
Stop the fake disguising. If it's strife that ain't from above, if it's slander that ain't from love,
Fruit reveals the Ruach.
every time.
Yeah. We the assembly. Check your fruit daily, then let the book weigh theirs.
Fruit reveals the Ruach every time.